With well-publicised sustainability targets on the horizon, diesel may be a dirty word for many. However, there are still a wide variety of applications where it's still the only option.
The internal combustion engine, particularly in the commercial vehicle space, still has a very long future. So that's something that we are concentrating on and we are building. So we've got traditional technologies, diesel and gas, as well as complemented by hydrogen, and how we make those cleaner and better.
PHINIA is addressing the issue of machinery obsolescence. New machines have significantly increased productivity at the company's Gillingham site.
What we've been able to do is refresh some 20-year-old machining processes, and the capital is available for us, and we've been using it, and it allows us to be a lot more efficient. So we're saving some labour. It allows us to move towards some automation as well. So we will be automating some of these processes, which in this high-cost country space is really where we need to be. So improved cycle times, automation is something that is very key to us moving forward.
What's really been a game changer at PHINIA, though, is hydrogen combustion. Combustion technology is producing near net zero outcomes with existing fuel injection systems.
In light duty car sector, battery electric vehicle is absolutely the right way to go. But as a complementary technology, hydrogen combustion, we feel is strongly needed. So it's something we're heavily looking at, and it's something that we are working with government bodies and legislation bodies around the world to work towards this being recognised as a net zero technology, because battery electric vehicle in commercial vehicle will not get there in time, and how to make us a big player in this is something that we're working towards.